Sunnah. In Islam that we learned from the Quran and Sunnah, they taught us that you always take from others. And the Prophet didn't claim at all that he came to start from beginning. Even the Prophet himself repeatedly said, I'm continuing what was done by Jesus and Moses and Ibrahim and all others. He didn't say I'm starting from the beginning. So it is wrong, and he knew that many people were disbelievers, and he knew that many people rejected the ideas that were sent with Musa or Isa or Ibrahim or all these. But yet, he said, I came to complete, to continue, to build on what has been built already. The example, he said, the example of mine and of me and other things before me is like a building, and there is a corner of that building, a stone is missing. I am that stone that completes that building. And the way he said, so he did not start from scratch. It is wrong to start from scratch. This is one. Two, human experience and the human observation and the human science that came from human being came through the use of the means of observation, through the use of eyes, ears, and rationalizing on that. Now, is that wrong itself? No. And it is wrong to think that only revelation alone gives the truth. That is also wrong, because revelation itself did not say that, did not claim that. It says we give the ultimate truth, but the details are to be done by you. And you have to create all these details by your own research. Part of this research is the use of eyes and hearing, and السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا, and repeatedly so much. So the idea of claiming that in Islamic economics it is wrong to take from others anything, it is wrong. It is basically, fundamentally wrong. It is not our Islam. This is the Islam of the uncivilized beings, like literally the issue of Daesh or ISIS or whatever, that denies all others. We do not deny the others. In Surah Saba, look at these verses. What does it say? It says, وَإِنَّا أَوْ إِيَّاكُمْ لَعَلَى هُدًى أَوْ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. It talks about argument. They are arguing with the kuffar. And with the kuffar, when we argue with them, we didn't tell them, don't we know that we are right and they are wrong? We know it from day one. We know we have the guidance from Allah. We have the message. And the message definitely is correct. And we believe in it and we accepted it because it is correct. We used our senses all and realized that it is correct, and then we accepted it. So we know that we are correct and they are wrong. But yet, for the sake of argument, when it was arguing with them, it didn't say, oh, come on, you are wrong. It says, let's sit down and discuss it. We and you, وَإِنَّا أَوْ إِيَّاكُمْ, we and or you are well guided or misled. وَإِنَّا أَوْ إِيَّاكُمْ لَعَلَى هُدًى أَوْ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. And then the next verse is it says, you will never be asked, لَا تُسْأَلُونَ عَمَّا أَجْرَمْنَا. Notice what the word it says here. Did we make any crime? We didn't make any crime. We, the believers in this argument, we didn't make any crime. Why the Quran says, لَا تُسْأَلُونَ عَمَّا أَجْرَمْنَا? Don't you say we are wrong, we are criminals? You will not be asked about this crime that we did. We definitely believe and know that we did not make any crime. Yet we are taking it from your mouth. You said we are criminal, but nobody is going to ask you about our crime. And we will not be asked about, it doesn't say about your crime. Don't we believe that they are wrong? They really are the criminals in the eye of Allah? And Allah called them criminals in more than one verse. Mujrimeen, in more than one verse. And yet, the verse says, وَلَا نُسْأَلُ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. It doesn't say, وَلَا نُسْأَلُ عَمَّا تُجْرِمُونَ. So, in the sake, in the context of argument, what do we use? We use the common language. We don't use, we know the revelation is correct, so this is the only source of knowledge. No, we use the knowledge, the sources of knowledge that are common between you and us, aren't hearing and senses and seeing and observing and analyzing. Aren't these tools are acceptable to you? So let's use these tools. Exactly what these verses are telling. Let's use these tools. Even we may use even your terminology for it. Even your terminology. You say we are criminals, then you will never be asked about our crime. And we will not, we know you are a criminal and we will not tell you are a criminal either. We will say, وَلَا يُسْأَلُ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. So the verse did not, based on believing in this argument, and you tell me, oh no, we cannot make any argument with them, because they take السمع والبصر والفؤاد only, and they don't take revelation. Gosh, this is complete unacceptable, and this is rather very much backward thinking, completely backward thinking. And this writer claims to himself is not acceptable by all the wise people, okay, including me. But really, he is rejected by every good writer or good thinker in Islamic economics. Yet, he is fluent in writing, and this is the kind of his writings. Some people get, because of that fluency of writing, think that, oh, this is something of importance. Yet he is a statistician and he's an econometrician, very much scientific and mathematical in his profession. But yet, no, he is not. He is wrong, definitely. We don't accept these ideas. There are things that I commented on them here, completely unacceptable by all means. Okay? Your critique, tell us what is your critique. It's anti-culture. And culture always goes, the sunan of Allah, the laws of God, go in such a way that civilization travels from one society to another. And each society built on what has been achieved before it and improved and goes above it, definitely. So we take from them anything that is acceptable rationally and is within the acceptable arena of rationalism. And then we build on it, we improve on it, and we make it higher. It's very strange kind of mentality. It's anti-culture, and then it goes, what are these kind of things? I don't know. It's really horrible. Some of it is really horrible. But the whole argument that you definitely, it is wrong to start anew. You cannot start in anything anew without using the humanity heritage of knowledge. And it's absolutely incorrect and wrong to think that we are alone in this universe and we take only from the Quran and Sunnah. Definitely we take from the Quran and Sunnah, and we build on the Quran and Sunnah, but we take from wherever we find anything that is good. And that's rather this is the nature of our religion, not the ideas that he calls for.
there is Egyptian, right?